To understand PTSD more clearly, it helps to look at how the brain processes threat and memory. During a traumatic event, the brain shifts into survival mode. Attention narrows. Reaction time increases. Stress hormones flood the body. These changes help the body respond quickly to danger. But when trauma occurs, these survival systems can become overtrained. One of the key regions involved in PTSD is the amygdala. The amygdala functions as the brain's threat detection center. It scans incoming information and quickly determines whether something might be dangerous. In PTSD, the amygdala often becomes overactive. This means the brain may detect a threat even when none is present. Neutral situations can begin to feel unsafe. The nervous system remains on high alert. Another important structure is the hippocampus. The hippocampus helps the brain distinguish past events from present experiences. It organizes memories within a timeline. In individuals with chronic PTSD, the hippocampus may show reduced volume. This can make it harder for the brain to clearly identify that a traumatic event happened in the past rather than the present. As a result, reminders of the trauma may feel immediate and overwhelming. The prefrontal cortex also plays an important role. This region helps regulate emotions and control fear responses. It acts as a braking system for the brain's alarm circuits. In PTSD, the prefrontal cortex may show reduced activation when processing emotional stimuli. When this regulatory system becomes less active, the amygdala's fear signals may dominate. This imbalance can contribute to heightened anxiety, hypervigilance, and emotional reactivity. PTSD also affects the body's broader stress system. The nervous system may remain in a prolonged state of activation. Stress hormones, such as cortisol, may become dysregulated. Over time, chronic stress activation can affect many physical systems. Sleep becomes disrupted, energy levels fluctuate, concentration becomes harder. The body remains in a state of vigilance. Research has shown that untreated PTSD can increase risk for a variety of health concerns. These include cardiovascular disease, metabolic dysregulation, immune system changes, and chronic pain conditions. This does not happen in every case, but it illustrates an important point. PTSD is not simply an emotional condition. It is a whole-body response involving the brain, the nervous system, and the endocrine system. Importantly, these brain and body changes are not necessarily permanent. They represent adaptations to trauma. The brain retains the ability to change. In the next video, we will explore how treatment helps the brain relearn safety and restore emotional balance.